In this video, I'll show you the two fuse box location on your Honda CRV 2002 to 2006. Okay, so let's get started. The first one, you'll go on the driver's side. On the right of the steering wheel, you have this panel that you have to pull with your fingers. And the fuse box is right over there. I know it's hard to have access to it, but you can do it by here or under the dash. Maybe this is easier for you as well. Okay, and on the lid itself, you'll have a diagram of all the fuses and telling you which one is which. Okay, and the second one, you'll open the hood of the car. Whoops, the hood release is completely broken, but let's go and check. So I show you where the other fuse box is, because there's two of them in this car. And on the right side over here, you see there's a box with a lid. Well, you'll need to open it. So to open, you need to press on these clips and try to pull up this lid. You'll probably need a few seconds. You see, those clips will open. And again, the diagram will be here. Everything will be labeled. And the fuse box is over here with all the relay and fuses. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment.